Ready to draw.
No.
What is this one? I was gonna put in
Sim.
REM, but there's an extra letter.
Damn it. What the hell? Is that a bomb? Oh. I don't know how to spell soldier.
You don't know what that is?
That's a rock.
That's a circle.
O2.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Water? That's H2O, asshole. Did you not pass chemistry?
What's chemistry?
I love this already. 10 out of 10.
Okay. Is it gonna do the thing? Okay, it's not doing the thing. It's drawing a trouble.
I don't know what to...
Bacteria. What kind of bacteria is that, dude? That's fucking poison ivy or something. What the hell?
I'm really bad. I haven't seen one in a very
Canada.
long
Ah,
time.
yes, my favorite plant.
Is it fucking Canada?
This is deoxyribonucleic acid. No, it's not.
Birds.
Okay.
Think of birds.
Oh.
Oh, Christ.
What
Wow,
kind of bird is
wow.
that?
Is it a fucking...
Damn it, I'm gonna redo it. I'm gonna redo it. Damn it.
Recipes
Is it-
funny
is
sound
it-
different.
Oh, wow. Is it Twitter?
I already put that guess, but it didn't work.
Fuck. Tweeter. What kind of bird is this?
It's... Think of a bird. I wouldn't say it is a bird.
What
Okay,
is...
you don't figure it out. I'm just...
Feather!
What kind of feather is that, dude?
I don't know. I couldn't think of one. I couldn't think of something...
Bro, that a bird leaf.